So I'm going to show you how to use a new online office referral system that I have developed. So you'll access it the same way you did before. You can go to the Holman Canvas course and click on Online Forms. Or if you prefer the staff page or staff links, which looks like this, which is also in the Canvas course, there's a link to the same online forms page right here. And from here, there's an option that says Holman Office Referral Form. When you click it, it will automatically collect your email address or ask you to log in if you haven't done so. And this should ask for the same information it asked for before, but it is now in a Google Forms format. So you're going to simply go through and enter in your student's name, the grade level of the student. Notice 6th grade is broken up into 2 parts. That's just to make sure things go to the right principal. Referring staff is most likely you, date of the incident, time of the incident, the class period that this took place, either before, after school, lunch, or advisory, location of the incident, who witnessed the incident, and then your description of the incident. Once you've entered that information, you're going to click Next. And from here, it's going to ask what contact information you have done or what actions you have taken already. So it's asking you to enter the dates. So for example, it says, what dates did you have a discussion with the student? You would either, I didn't have a discussion, or I would hit other and enter in those dates. You could also leave a message or something if you need to, if there was some other information that went along with that. But you'll simply go through, and again, same information that was here before, and then when you're done, you'll hit submit. Now the difference this time is once you've hit submit, you will then get an email which looks like this. And that email tells you, hey, you have completed an online office referral. If you need to make changes or edit it, you can do so by clicking here, which takes you back to the form again. Or you will now get a PDF that is going to be sent to you, which looks like this. So the PDF form is going to have all of the information that you have included in your part. It is now filled out into a form that looks familiar, very similar to our old office referral form, except this time we don't have to worry about making copies or things like that. You just use the Google form to do it. Any of the actions that you listed are going to show up here as well. And then there'll be a spot down at the bottom for administrators to go through and do their interventions as well. So that's all there is to it, and that is our new office referral form.